Indulge in the magic of Midnight Cream. This anti-aging face cream is ultra comforting, with powerful actives for visible anti-aging results. Helps repair skin barrier up to 1.5x faster than untreated skin. Tested by dermatologists, suitable for sensitive skin. Nightly Skin Care. Age-Perfect Cell Renewal Midnight Cream with patented antioxidant and vitamin E helps repair the skin barrier at night when skin is most receptive to recovery. A night anti-wrinkle face cream to help smooth wrinkles, firm and improve radiance. Overnight Renewal. Midnight Cream has a wrapping texture that creates the optimal environment for skin barrier repair. The lightweight, non-greasy anti-aging face moisturizer melts into skin, infusing it with antioxidants for healthy, glowing skin. Visible results. The overnight facial moisturizer helps improve skin barrier, deeply moisturizes and smooths skin texture. Over time, skin looks firmer, more radiant and wrinkles are visibly reduced. Effective for all skin tones. Age-Perfect Skin Care. Cell Renewal Anti-Aging Eye Cream Sample included. Our Age-Perfect Skin Care line for mature skin includes gentle moisturizers, lightweight serums, and anti-aging creams and lotions to restore and revive skin. Top reviews from the United States. Nice Softening Cream. This cream is perfect for achieving soft, supple skin. I woke up looking refreshed the night after I used this cream for the first time. My skin loves this stuff. Just be sure to clean off the morning after to get rid of any toxins, debris that might have ended up stuck on your skin during the night.